friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a fall clean and decorate with me. I love changing over for the season, so this shouldn't shock anyone.
Lightning strikes by my window.
Don't be alarmed if you see my children in the background helping me. I love to include my kids when I clean. I didn't make the mess, so they're gonna help me clean it up.
I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
When I decorate, I like to play with the space, and it takes me forever to decide where I want stuff to be. So yeah, there's an airplane passing over, and I have to be outside because my kids are virtual learning, so forgive me, life happens. But this little space took forever, but I'm finally happy with how it turned out.
you were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So I know a lot of you are trying to figure out what I'm doing right here. So when I put candles and candle holders, I don't like for them to be like slouch over. So I kind of burnt the bottom so the wax will stick to the bottom of the candle holder. And I also like the effect of burnt candle. So all my new candle I try to burn so the wax will kind of like go down the side. But it didn't work here.
Why did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just
this space right here, I was kind of struggling with it because it's just so hard because the view of it, the table, you can't really see it unless you go to the side. And I struggled with this space, but in the end I finally changed it around, and that's just who I am. I will change something 50 million times until I'm happy with it. So I did went back after this video and changed the space a little bit.
If I can't stop, if I should fall, just go ahead, go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my true
Don't mind those big speakers in my dining room. My husband is just, we're party people, and we had several birthday parties. We even have a birthday party coming up on the 5th. So those speakers will be there until party season is over. They're ugly and hideous, and that's why you haven't seen the fall decorate dining room in this video, because I can't decorate that space until hubby gets those hideous speaker out of my dining room.
Break it down like this.
Also, my door is not dirty. I use a semi-gloss paint on my door, which is like, I have to go back over with a satin finish to get that look off of the door.
Join in. You better grab that tambourine, bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it, that's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it, crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got
There go no big dirty planes. Like, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.